Good morning, children. We are here to discuss on our second point, that is how to switch on the computer and how to shut down the computer. So, this is the subtopic of the previous chapter only. Now you have to focus on two parts, that how to switch on the computer system as well as how to shut down the computer system. So here I have provided you with many pictures related slides so that you can easily understand how to switch on the computer system and how to shut down the computer system. So children, please very careful while the teaching learning process is going on and kindly pay attention. Now here comes our first slide. What is the very first step we have to follow? You all need to remove all the covers from the computers and its devices. Yes, you need to remove the covers from the desktop as well as from the keyboard so that your computer is ready to use. As you can see in the picture. Now, after that, we need to switch on the main socket button on the switchboard. That means you need to switch on the main power supply. After switching on the main power supply, what is the next step? Now, the third step is you are supposed to switch on the UPS. Yes, the UPS. What is this UPS? This is the uninterrupted power supply. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply, and you have to switch on the UPS after switching on the main power supply, children. Now, after switching on the UPS, what is the next step? Step 4 says that you have to switch on the CPU. That means, and after that you have to switch on the monitor. Now when you will switch on the monitor, then what will happen? Now this I am going to show you in the next slide. When you will switch on the monitor, your system has started and your desktop will look like this. See the desktop? See the red button in the CPU? That means your CPU is on. Now your system is ready to work. You are going to start your work from here. So children, understood? Now here I want to discuss one point, and that point is, can you see the screen, computer screen? What you can see there, can you identify one hourglass? Yes, the mouse pointer will look like an hourglass. When the computer is busy, it means it will need some time to start up. That means booting process is going on and you're not supposed to click or type anything at that moment. You need to wait for some time, and after that what will happen? The hourglass has changed to arrow pointer. That means the mouse pointer changes to an arrow pointer when the computer is ready to use. So understood, children, what is the various steps involved in order to switch on the computer? I hope this concept is clear to you. Now I have provided you with the steps, that what are the basic steps in order to switch on the computer. These are the basic steps. That is step 1, switch on the main power supply. Step 2, switch on the UPS. Step 3, switch on the CPU. Step 4, switch on the monitor. And step 5, wait for some time till the mouse pointer changes to arrow.